Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy and connect your proxy for your remote work from home job. And without wasting time, let us start. You are going to buy your proxies from IPBurger. This is the site I have tested for quite a number of times, and it's secure and it does not leak. So after landing to their dashboard, you will see different types of proxies. We have residential proxies, static ISP proxies, we have static ISP proxies, fresh dedicated IP, private dedicated IP. And for my remote work from home, I usually use static ISP residential proxy because it does not rotate, unlike residential proxy. So we have different proxies for different countries, and we have United States, United Kingdom, Canada. Most of my remote work is from the United States, so I'm going to click add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you will be able to see choose your billing cycle: static residential ISP, US static residential IBB IP. So choose billing cycle. We have 1 month, it's $29.95. 3 months is $24.98. This means if you get for 3 months, you will be charged $24.98 per month. If you get for 6 months, $21.33 a month. That is, the total will be $127.95. And if you get 12 months price, this is what I usually get because it's a bit cheap. I have saved a lot of money because I'm buying one at $14.41 a month, and so the total for 12 months will be $172.95. Now after buying your proxies, you are going to connect it. This is the proxy that we just bought, and for us to connect it, we are going to use more login anti-detect browser. So go to your Chrome browser and download more login. So we are going to use more login to connect our proxy server. This is because more login is a good anti-detect browser where you are going to be given 2 profiles for free. And so for us to connect, we are going to click the 3 dots and then go to edit profile. Once you go at edit profile, you will be given options here. Let us wait for it to load. And so you will be able to give your profile a name, and this is the name for my profile because I bought a proxy for New York City. So next I'll be able to go and choose whether it's new proxy or existing proxy. So if it's new proxy, just click new proxy. Then for proxy type, we are going to choose SOCKS 5 because we bought SOCKS 5. Then we paste our IP here. The proxy server will be this one. This will be the port, account number, and password. So the next thing we are going to do is to track this is good because once the IP changes and maybe you are using a website that is IP sensitive, it will definitely disconnect and will not be able to access. So instead of warning, let us say no access. So let's do a proxy detection. Then we do proxy detection to see if it's working. And after doing proxy detection, you're going to see detection success. Export IP is that location United States of America, New York, New York City. So once you confirm it's from New York City, you are going to click here confirm. So I don't want to confirm because I have another profile with this. I have another profile with another proxy, so this was for demonstration purposes. So it was a short video. That's how you buy and connect your proxy server. So till next time, goodbye and thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. The link for buying these is on the description below.